There she is with her new ball. Her new bouncy ball. Caitlin, do you like your new bouncy ball? Yeah? Bouncy ball! Bouncy ball! Just taking your ball for a stroll? Huh? Yeah, bouncy ball. Can you kick it? Can you kick the ball? There it is. Yeah. There's that ball. There's that ball. Can you stand up with the ball? There we go. Good job. Good job. Yeah. Yeah.
Doing good?
She's doing really good. Yeah. Squeal, squeal. Hi, let's take it to the kitchen. You want to take it to the kitchen? Nope. Okay, sure. Where are we going, Mommy? Bouncy ball. I got me a new bouncy ball.